Just come from the mechanic's workshop and asking yourself, what is this DPF and what's it doing on my car? Well, we're here to help answer those questions. Controlling harmful exhaust emissions is legislated by the government and is the responsibility of the vehicle manufacturer. All passenger cars are built to meet national or global emission standards. These standards are under constant review, with new standards progressively reaching legislation to continue the improvement of our air quality and reduce environmental impacts. Australia has adopted international emission control regulations, which were developed by the United Nations and referred to as Euro standards. The Euro standards regulate the emission targets from vehicles of nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide and particulate materials, often referred to as particulate matter. So, if you have a DPF that needs replacing and would like more information on your options, then check out the Ryco Filters DPF website or contact our customer care team today. Thanks for watching.